Okay, in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to sweep someone to the ground. So let's get into it. Okay, so she's going to punch, and then we're in here. Then we hook, making sure we're hooking here. Now that we're doing the sweep, I want to be hip to hip, close to her. And I want to grab her shirt just for protection, just because we're just practicing. And what I want to do is I want to go up with the hips, just like this. Go up, and then she's going to come down to the ground. And then you can throw some strikes and punches from here. Okay, so she comes in to punch here, I hook, and then I'm going to grab her shirt. Okay, so from here, I'm grabbing her shirt just like this, and then I'm going to put the hips up and then take them down. Very slowly if you're practicing. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys learned a lot on how to sweep someone to the ground, and I hope you guys will have a good time doing that and practicing. See you guys in the next video.